Is it true that you can get any person to trust you in no more than 60 seconds? Is it true that any person who is not a complete madman is so hungry for trusted human contact because he knows the pain when he is without it, that he will often grant it in a mere instant of meeting? I can say with certainty that it is indeed so, for mutual trust is the cornerstone of every human relationship, and without it, there can be neither love, friendship, sympathy, kindness, nor great business arrangements. What creates a first impression? 55% of how you appear comes down to body language and your facial expression, 38% to the way your voice sounds, and only 7% to your actual spoken words. A very simple, precise technique known as precision mirroring is the best way to build rapid trust. Put yourself in the other's place and try to look into his very soul. Examine him, not with the eyes of common men, but with your own eyes. Consider that this being, like yourself, is mortal, frail, feeble, needy, yet consists of a mysterious kingdom and a secret abyss, and that he is all this, in spite of a certain bowed-down look, and does not like to appear so. Note the indications of pain and misery. He strives to look cheerful, but just see how he gestures. He does not want to show malignity, yet even a schoolboy learns to shoot that venom out of himself in some unexpected and mysterious incidental way. He clenches his fists, but clenching his fists means something also. And above all, consider this: that next moment he may die or grow mad. So call him during his life into your heart. Open your bosom, open it wide. Let the whole sorrowful world, the whole deceitful world with its promises, sorrows, threats, charms, and sufferings enter, and do not close it until death. Death alone can close it, but even then with tears of blood. You see, just one look, one movement, and the stranger is already mine. He has trusted me. You will ask how it happened so quickly? It is some strange mystery of humanity, doubtless, and no one can explain it to you. We live without knowing what life is, without understanding anything about it, and yet it shall reveal itself for us in all its awful splendor, for even the brief space of an hour. It shall constrict the soul and wring the heart with an invisible, strangling hand, just as though for an instant we were standing on the very brink of the abyss. And when it does reveal itself in a flash of mental vision, then you open the very inmost depths of your heart to all men who are suffering and miserable, and you have trust that fills all your limbs and streams out of you so powerfully that a man whom you have just met was bound to feel it and trust you. But how is it done, you ask? How does one draw this sudden faith from another soul, as if trust were not earned but summoned? There is a way to make that happen, more often than chance, a way that feels like instinct but is built from attention. Precision mirroring. It's when your body learns someone without them teaching you, when you begin to move like them, but only just enough for them to feel familiar near you. You do not need to mirror everything. In fact, if you do, they will feel watched and no one trusts the one watching. Instead, you match something small: the pace of their speech, the timing of their breathing, a gesture they do when they're thinking, like rubbing the back of their neck or looking sideways before answering. Do not think it's about copying. No, the liar copies, the desperate imitates, but the aware reflects what is already there, subtly, without force. If you do it right, they won't notice with their mind, only with their body. And the body is older than thought. The body remembers tribes, firelight, the safety of sameness. The body says, "This one is like me. This one is safe." But it only works if you don't want anything from them. People feel the hands that grab. Yours must be open. And then something strange happens. Their shoulders drop. Their tone softens. Their story spills a little faster. They are not aware of what you've done, and you must not remind them, For trust is not given to the clever. It is given to those who vanish inside presence. That's what precision mirroring is. You become the kind of person others can exist next to without adjusting themselves. And in a world where everyone's exhausted from pretending, that's a rare feeling. That's what makes people trust you. If you enjoyed the video, then you'll want to read the book I've been writing. You'll find a link somewhere below. Check it when you're ready, not when you're bored. And if you liked this whole thing, like, comment, subscribe, whatever the platform asks, but only do it if something real moved in you. That's the kind of audience I want.